I tested all three. Here is the real winner. Today we are comparing GitHub Copilot, Cursor, and Windsurf. All three are AI coding tools. They help you write, edit, and understand code faster. Let's start with GitHub Copilot. Copilot is the most established tool. It gives real time suggestions inside your editor. It's reliable and works well for everyday coding. Now, Cursor. Cursor is more advanced and AI first. It lets you edit entire files using prompts. You can ask it to refactor, fix bugs, or build features directly. It feels more like coding with AI than just autocomplete. And then Windsurf. Windsurf is newer and still evolving. It focuses on speed and AI assisted workflows. It's promising but not as mature as the others. Here's the main difference. Copilot is stable and simple. Cursor is more powerful and AI driven. Windsurf is still catching up. Looking at features, Copilot offers autocomplete and chat. Cursor offers full project editing, context awareness, and deeper AI control. Windsurf offers AI suggestions but with fewer advanced features. In terms of experience, Copilot is easy and smooth. Cursor feels more powerful but slightly heavier. Windsurf is improving but less polished. Now, pricing, Copilot is a paid subscription. Cursor also has paid plans with more advanced features. Windsurf pricing varies and is still evolving. So here's the breakdown. Copilot for reliability, Cursor for power and full AI workflows, Windsurf if you want to try something new. So which one should you choose? Choose Copilot if you want something stable and simple. Choose Cursor if you want full AI control over your code. Windsurf is worth watching, but not the top choice yet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.